Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and having a great day. And today's video is actually a subscription. I emailed Ipsy. I am a member of Ipsy. I get the regular glam bag and I get the glam bag plus each month. And I had emailed them because I had noticed on my account that some of my points were going to expire May 4th. And I don't think they should ever expire. If you are getting their bag each month and you were doing the reviews to get the points, which you only get 15 points for each review that you do, unlike another company that gives you 50 points for each review that you do, so you can get more points quickly on with the other company. And with Ipsy, when you go in to try to redeem some of your points, you have to remember you're still only going to get a sample size, because that's what Ipsy is all about, mainly with their regular glam bag. So they want you to use 600 of your points to get a little sample. 600 points takes a long time if you get 4 to 5 products each month at only 15 points per review to accumulate, and they want you to use 600 of your points. At least with other companies with their points, they're not asking you to use that many. So I sent them an email and I was concerned as to why points would ever expire. That half the time I go look, you have to use, like I said, at least 600 of your points most of the times for an item, and the items aren't even all that great sometimes in their area or in their store where you can get them, and then they include them in your next month's bag that you get. So a very kind woman in customer service emailed me back and she said, not a problem. Yes, the points do expire. I think it's after a year. And, what could she send to me to make it right, I guess, for the points expiring? So she had given me a few options to pick from, and I told her, that would be a great product. I think it was a MAC product. I'm not really sure if it was like a MAC primer, and I'm like, I love MAC primer. That would be perfect, but I never see that in the store to use it. I would use the 600 points on a MAC product because I love their primer. So the other day, today is Saturday, and I think it was Thursday or Friday, I received a box, and I received this box in the mail right here. Just a plain box. And I was like, who is this from? So I saw the label and it said Ipsy. So I was like, my boxes haven't even shipped. My bags haven't shipped yet. Ipsy Plus hasn't shipped yet. What am I getting from Ipsy? So I opened it up, and much to my surprise, it must be from the woman that I contacted through Ipsy's customer service about the points. And she sent me, 3 masks, which I'll show you, and 3 bags, 1, 2, 3 bags with 2 products each in the bag. So she sent me quite a few products. I just have everything in the box right here. So the first thing that she sent me, and it's from Tony Moly, and this is the Black Tea Nutrition and Moisture Sheet Mask. So she sent me that, which I love. And the other mask is from Sir Medic, and this is a bright glutathione mask. Sort of looks like like an IV bag type thing, and this is a mask. So like I said, just with I do Facery every month, and I love sheet masks. And this is from Pure Lease, and this is the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. So yay on the sheet masks. Then I just slit the bags to make it easy to open. And there are 2 products in each bag that she sent me, which I thought was so kind. And this first product is from Murad, and it's the Hydrodynamic Quenching Essence. And it's a sample size, but I'm okay with that. Ipsy is all about samples. And then this is Youth to the People, and this is their Deep Moisture Cream. So this is just a little, let me just open this up here. A little sample of the moisture cream, and I have gotten this in the past and used it and thought it was very nice. So, and I will include pictures at the end of the video so you can see up close all these products. I'm in the process of researching getting a different camera to use now that I'm on camera. When I was behind the camera, I could get it a lot closer and zoom in a little bit better behind. But this camera, I can't like flip the screen up or anything. So then the second bag basically is the same products that were in the first bag that she sent duplicates of. The Murad and the Youth to the People hydrating cream. So that was in the second bag. And then in the third bag, like I said, I was shocked. I'm thinking, 3 bags, what are they doing? I received from It Cosmetics this sample size of the Superhero Mascara, which is a great mascara. We all know that. And then from It, the Bye Bye Makeup, and this is the 3-in-1 Makeup Melting Balm, Cleansing Balm. Nice little sample size, you know, and this is, get this one open. This is a decent size. I mean, and it's full, just to, you don't need that much of it. So I am thrilled to death that I received these. Now, you know, I don't know if I'm going to still get the MAC item that she had asked me about. And at this point, I'm not complaining, and I'm okay with everything that she sent me. And I did respond through Instagram to Ipsy and let them know how wonderful their customer service treated one of their customers when they had a question and a concern. And I think that Ipsy is by far, you know, jumping ahead leaps and bounds of some of these other boxes out there, especially with customer service. And, you know, I love my Ipsy bag, and I always will. I love getting the samples to try out and to share with other people to try out. And then they purchase the full size, and so do I. And I'm loving my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus with the full size products. So that is my video today. And this is just a little, you know, quick Ipsy, you know, little customer service products that they sent me. And thank you so much for watching, and leave me a comment and let me know if you've had any issues with Ipsy, with their customer service, whether they were negative or positive. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and most importantly, subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.